Hi guys, I am Dave from Apple Tips, and in today's video I'm back with a new teardown video. So in today's video we're going to tear down one of my favorite Samsung devices, the Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini. So this is one of the best proportions of a phone I've ever seen. Well, this is my opinion, but this is what I think, that this is one of the best looking phones and one of the best screen proportions and everything. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's flip it over. And we're going to open my iFixit bit case. Take out this screwdriver and the 00 pH bit. I have other screwdrivers on my table, but I don't think I'll use them because this one has only one type of screw. First, we remove the back. Then we remove the battery. Then we have some screws, one located here, one 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 here. And this is everything that it's going to be unscrewed right now on the back of the phone. They're all pH 00s. At least that's what I thought, because they are 000 ones, slightly smaller one. But they still don't want to unscrew. Maybe they are pH 10. Maybe this one's broken. Let's try another screw. No, this one's too big. I'm not sure why they don't want to unscrew. That's weird, because I've tried. Yeah, there we go. Only the Timu screwdriver works. But I think this one is the same as the 00. Know why, but we'll stick to this one. They're all the same size, so you don't have to worry about losing. You don't have to worry about misplacing them, because they are all the same. So you can use either one of them in either place you want. But I don't understand why they're so hard to get out of the. Let's see if we're going to use a tweezer. My first time when I disassembled this phone, and I don't really like it. On the inside is not as nice as on the outside. I don't know what size of Phillips screwdriver this is, because it's the only one that worked. The 00, the single 0 and the 000 didn't, and I thought this was a 00. Well, that's good to know. Fun fact, I bought these screwdrivers from Temu just for the video and for entertainment purposes only, but turns out I'll use them. And this one, the Pentalobe one, is kinda good too. So I will use them. This is so nice. I love when all the screws in the phone are the same, because I don't have to worry about misplacing them or using the wrong screw in the wrong place. I can just use them wherever I want and they work. I actually know how to disassemble this phone, but I didn't actually work on one yet, so this is my first time. But I know the basics. We're done with the screws. Now let's quickly remove the SIM card. No, this phone is a second-hand phone I bought, so I don't know whose SIM card is that. And I love when all phones had the micro SD type of thing. The next step is to use one of those. I think you have to pull it here. I'm not sure. This is what I remember from the iFixit guide or whatever I used back when I was. This isn't an easy job by any means. Or trying to use the Jimmy because the picks don't work. Something was broken inside. I don't know what exactly. Either broke something or something was already broken, because this is what happened. Weird. So this is the case. This is the volume rocker. It fell out. Yep, let's move back on. So the next step is to remove some stuff. This thing here, I think, is the first thing we remove. Yeah, I might have broken the display, but I'm not sure. I don't really remember if this one worked or not. Hopefully it didn't. Because it's a phone from my vintage Samsung collection, and if it was already broken, that's fine, but if I broke it, I don't think I will be able to live with that, with knowing that. So this is the motherboard. Let's quickly remove the camera here. never worked on this phone before, so I think I made a lot of mistakes here. Then here we have the headphone jack, whatever this part from here is. Which I don't know why I'm not able to remove. There we go. I think I have managed to. This is a first time for me. And I think I'm doing it pretty well, but certainly not the best I can do, because I have a feeling that I might have cracked the display while trying to remove the case. Even if I did so, just a little bit of it would have been broken, but that is not something I like to happen. But the past is past, we cannot change it. Now, examining the phone, I think this was pretty much it with the teardown, because I'm not seeing anything that might be able to be removed at the moment anymore. So yeah, this was pretty much it with the teardown. So this is everything that was in this phone. Pretty nice teardown, if you ask me, because I hate when phones have too many screws to remove. But this differs from person to person. So, before finishing this video, I want to show you the time lapse of me reassembling the phone. So I'm done reassembling the phone, and something I can say, and I don't like saying it, but I have to, is that I had the worst experience ever repairing a phone. So I ran into a lot of problems. First of all, I didn't know how to open the phone case correctly, and I opened it too far up, and I think I damaged the display. I had an idea how to do it, but I think I didn't do it well. I obviously didn't do it well in the first time, so that's something I ran a problem. Second of all, I've lost these two buttons here, the volume rocker. I really don't know where it went. I have no clue where it went, and I just didn't like working on this phone. Next time when a phone like this gets on my repair table, I'll be more careful to avoid doing these things. But before finishing the video, I want to test if this phone works anymore. First I need to get a cable from down here under my table. A micro USB. I got this one from an old Ring doorbell. So let's plug this into my Anker MagGo power bank. This is an Ugreen 4-port USB hub. Then I'm going to connect this amp meter to it here. Then this cable to connect it to my phone. The phone doesn't get any current. Which is weird because I think this phone worked in the first place. Not sure. Maybe the battery is toast. Sure. Maybe I didn't plug the charging port back in. Let me diagnose and we'll see what I did wrong. Well, I've tested the phone deeper with using my multimeter, and it turns out the battery is the one causing the problem of the phone not turning on. So this is something I cannot fix right now because I don't have another battery. And yeah, the good part is that I found out which was the problem. So the motherboard isn't the one that is broken, is the battery. But yeah, this was everything in this teardown. So if you like what you saw, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to this channel to see more videos just like this one, and as always, thanks a ton for watching. I'll see you in the next one.